Hey folks, this is Mark, and thank you so much for joining me today on a very special video I'm so happy to be able to bring to you. Please know that I appreciate the support that I've received on this channel, and every like, view, comment, and subscription I receive is very important to me. So thank you all very much. Let's go ahead and get started. Disneyland's Club 33 opened in 1967, just 5 months after Walt's death in 1966. As originally envisioned, it was to be a VIP lounge where Walt could entertain guests away from the bustle of the park. Since its opening, it's achieved an almost mythic status among Disneyphiles, and it's not uncommon to see people gather at the door in front of the iconic 33 sign for pictures, wondering what lies inside. I had the opportunity to visit Club 33 a few years ago, before its renovation in 2014, so this video shows it as it was, more or less, in its original state. The entrance is located at number 33 Royal Street, right next to the Blue Bayou restaurant, which is right next to the exit to the Pirates of the Caribbean. To get in, you ring the well-weathered and highly polished doorbell and wait for the infinitely patient cast member inside to admit you. They will ask you your name and reservation number, check it against their list, and if all lines up, they buzz you in. This is the super patient cast member I was telling you about. Can you just imagine how many people would press that doorbell just to see what happens? The entrance foyer is just a taste of what's to come, so while we're waiting, let's have a look around at some of the detail. In reading up on this, Walt saw an elevator just like this in New Orleans and offered to buy it, but the owner refused, so Walt sent a team of his Imagineers to make extensive notes and reproduce it for Club 33, even down to the call button. Next is this beautiful stained glass window that's above the entrance door that catches the light from outside, and this beautiful wall-mounted candelabra. It's time to make our way upstairs. I opted for the stairs to get a good look at the elevator as it winds its way to the top. When we get to the second floor, we turn right and head to the trophy room where we're going to be dining today, past the menus ready to be distributed to our group and onto our reserved table. Now, as soon as I sat down, I immediately noticed this beautiful custom tableware with its striking beveled pattern and the distinctive logo in the middle. How do I know it's custom? Aside from the logo? Well, I turned it over and saw that it was made by Dudson in the United Kingdom exclusively for Club 33. Dudson is one of the oldest brands of its kind in England and was founded in 1800. One of the reasons why we came here was to eat, and I cannot wait to see what's on the menu. I'm pleased to say that it did not disappoint. My selection will be the pan-seared Chateaubriand with the Yukon potato puree and the Cabernet Demi-Glace. It's okay to admit that your mouth began to water just a bit as I said that. While waiting for my meal, I took the opportunity to look around for a bit. I'm very sad to say that this beautiful and historic cypress-planked room, filled with taxidermy animals and interesting artifacts, is no more. After 47 years, it was demolished in 2014 in order to expand the kitchen that serves the club. It's very sad to see that this part of the original Club 33 is gone forever, and trust me when I say that my photos do not do justice to what this room was. Now, this turkey vulture is a very important bit of history in the club. Let's take a closer look at the chandeliers above us. What does this look like to you? Do you see anything unusual? Yep, that's a microphone hidden in the center of the chandelier. Walt's original idea was to have a cast member listen in on the table conversations and then reply or comment through the animatronic vulture. I think we can all see how that could be a bit problematic. Let's explore a little bit further. This long hallway, known as Lounge Alley, is actually a bridge that links the trophy room dining room to the main dining room. And as we walk through here, note more of the lovely decor with many places to sit and just absorb the ambiance of the space. Now, the sketches above these chairs look like costume renderings, but they were not labeled, so I can't say what they were from. From this vantage point, we can see the Lounge Alley bar and the tempting dessert offerings, which we're going to see later on. And if we turn around, it's a selection of some of the wines that are available. At the end of Lounge Alley is the entrance to the main dining room. Much larger, and with a lighter decor, it's another beautiful room in which to enjoy a delicious meal and to socialize with friends and family away from the bustle of Disneyland. Now, if you feel the need to peek in on the bustle of the park, we can step out onto the wraparound balcony just outside the main dining room for some really unique views of New Orleans Square. Now, I must admit that it was strange for me to see New Orleans Square from this perspective, and odd to note that very few people look up at the balcony. I suppose it just never occurs to people to do so because there's so much going on in the aforementioned bustle in this part of the park. So the next time you're in New Orleans Square, make sure you glance up and see if you see anybody. Well, I'm thinking that my delicious lunch should be just about ready. So let's head on back to the trophy room and enjoy our meal. Sorry, folks. Give me a second. Hello. What's up, Bob? Yeah. Hey, look, I'm in the middle of doing a video. Club 33. Well, ask Bob Chapek to take you. No, I can't get you in. Yeah, I'm sure. No, Bob, an Incredibles Avengers team-up movie is a bad idea. Bob, don't mix your IPs. Well, then you shouldn't have bought so many. Okay, Bob, hey, listen, I gotta go. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Sorry about that. Never give your number to Bob Iger. Okay, let's eat. Doesn't this look spectacular? Rest assured it was just perfect. And while we were enjoying our meal, Mickey and Pluto came by and I could not pass up the opportunity to get a picture with a couple of old friends. Now I know that somebody out there is going to ask about the bathrooms, and rest assured I got you covered on that. I mean, I've come this far, I might as well. Not how I would do my bathroom, but a nicely decorated space all the same, and I must admit I do love this vintage style high tank toilet, and yes, that is something I'd like in my bathroom. After the bathroom tour, it's back to my seat for some fabulous desserts, and while I'm enjoying this, check out this video that I shot that hopefully will pull the whole experience together for you.
Joseph, seriously? No. She will go for it.
Did you see the angel? Did you see the angel that was this balcony? Oh yeah. Here? Wow, she's a big angel. Pretty.
Captain Dan Trailer.
I feel like I'm
Are you laughing? I was gonna say.
Well, folks, the sun is starting to set, and I'm afraid that our time in this iconic and little-known corner of Disneyland is sadly at an end. I hope that you enjoyed this tour and that you found the video interesting. If you did, drop a comment, like the video, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for sticking around all the way to the end, and I'll see you at Disneyland.